Hello, universe. I have
Hello,
here with me the
universe.
beautiful maiden from the mountains of Benguet, Maiko Ibarde. Hello, Maiko.
Hello po, I am Maiko Ibarde representing the Igorot community, the province of Benguet.
Okay, so first, Maiko, tell us more about yourself.
I'm 26 years old and I'm representing the province of Benguet. Fun facts about me is that I love numbers and I also love hiking. So as I've said a while ago, this might actually be the steepest mountain I have to climb and also the hardest equation I'm gonna have to solve. Pero I know that Benguet is behind me, so kakayanin natin.
Okay, so nagkaroon ng clamor, no, nung ni-reveal ka as Miss Universe Philippines Benguet. How was it? How was the pressure?
The pressure, actually yung pagtanggap po ng tao, it was very welcoming. Yung support also, of course, my Benguet community. Thank you so much for that. The pressure itself, siguro wala po muna akong na-feel na pressure ngayon kasi I'm looking forward to the sisterhood that's gonna form sa pageant na to kasi 69 ladies, I don't know, 69? Confirmed po ba? 69? Pero I heard that it's Puksaan edition, pero you know, the competitiveness will naturally come. Ayun.
Okay, so 69 ladies. Ano yung, if ever, ano yung plan mo? Paano ka mag-stand out among the other competitors?
I would just definitely be myself, like other people say. Be yourself, it radiates on the outside. Be more confident about you, ipakita mo kung sino ka, ipakita mo kung ano yung causes na pinapaglaban mo kasi that's gonna make you stand out from other ladies, of course.
Okay, so I believe you competed on your national pageant way back 2022.
Yes.
Yes.
Got it right.
So, ano yung difference ni Maiko from that year and between this time, this 2025?
Actually, every pageant po, I have my fair share of learnings and I make sure na parang yung learnings na yun, it will fuel my development. And of course, the Maiko now is way better, more equipped, of course, to, conquer the national stage, specifically the Miss Universe Philippines, which is the most prestigious pageant in the Philippines. Ayun po.
Okay, so what are you most excited about on this year's competition?
Oh, I've said it. I've said this to a lot of pageants, a lot of interviews. Ang pinaka-excited po talaga ako is the swimsuit competition. I can't imagine, seeing the women with their oozing sexiness and talagang pag-ahandaan po natin yan to give the Miss Universe Philippines a good fight, of course.
Kamusta yung support ng LGU? Ng Benguet sa'yo?
The local government units very supportive naman po, syempre. Kasi this is the first time that there will be a representative under the franchise of Miss Universe Philippines. Talagang yung support nila is overwhelming talaga. And yun, kasi I'm not just representing myself, also I'm representing my community, our story, and our shared vision for our Benguet.
Alright, good luck, Maiko.
Maraming salamat po.
We'll see more of you in the coming weeks. Once again, guys, Maiko Ibarde from the province of Benguet.
Thank you, everyone.